Hey guys, it's Buckshot Bullet back again with another video. So today we're going to be testing out or breaking an AIMKO Tablet, whatever. So I'm with my cousin Chase. Yeah, he's been in my friend the crack kid. That video has been pretty good so far. So yeah, I'm doing this. So let's break this tablet.
Cracking a little.
So the back side is a cord with this, and the inside is just a whole bunch of copper and like duct. Yeah. So let's dig into this. We're trying to see if it still works. My light is flashing. There's like the old SDMI cords. Here, hang on. This is where the TF card goes. That's a speaker. This is the speaker that it goes to.
Ready?
Yeah.
No,
See, this is the speaker. We'll focus. Yeah.
What's up, fuckers?
I don't know what he said, but whatever. There's a whole bunch of just like tape, and this is the battery. Balls, holy crap.
Here.
Ooh, it's got mouse like shit on it. Oh yeah, that's sticky as crap. I don't know what this is. I'm pretty sure this is a battery. Well, it says 300 OMA per hour or something like that. Right there. Yeah. Alright, so that's really sticky at the bottom. There's a lot of stuff. This is the speaker. This is with the battery to the speaker. And it's the cords. I kind of just want to see if we could break the screen, but let's just get all this stuff out first. The charger. I'm pretty sure it goes. Yeah, here, that's the charger. This is on button. This is where's those? Oh yeah, here's those volume and up and down button. Yeah, this is where the SD card goes. So let's see if there's SD cards or anything in here. A whole bunch of lights. Freaking crap. Hang on.
Oop. What's that? Hello.
My mom. I don't know what this is. Sorry if this video is kind of boring, but all we're doing is taking apart a tablet. A whole bunch of sticky stuff in here. Honestly, I think this is electric tape. This is the back side. We'll break this later. Just break it. Yeah, so
There we go.
there, I got the rest. There, I got it. Hold this. My cousin got this down. So I'm gonna try to get some more. This is the screen
Protector.
I am keeping this. This is cool.
That's the screen
And
protector.
this is the actual screen. This is.
Well, that's not a screen protector. That's an actual screen.
This is the screen protector. This is the screen. There's a whole bunch of like SD cards and gadgets and gizmos. Who cares about this? Yeah. Now we're trying to get into the actual cords and everything. See, this is just the screen. This is the touch screen with this. So this is what it looked like before, sort of. Touching screen with the back. Yeah. Let's try to get into the actual business part. Could just squeeze it until it gets out. Or I could just go the manual way and just get a knife or something. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to get some like knife because this is not coming out. Pliers or something. I'm just gonna break it halfway. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, just break it halfway. I don't care.
Here, Caleb. Like this.
Oh, wait.
It's another screen protector thing.
Whoa. That's freaking cool. Guys, there's just black. You can kind of see your guys' reflection here. I have to wipe it down just a little bit. Guys, look at this. There's like an actual mirror inside of the freaking... Holy cow. If you guys don't believe me, look this up and like Google or Amazon or something. Craigslist. Get this from somebody, some like trashy one, and then just start ripping it open. Try not to rip this because this is freaking awesome.